guys, welcome to the vlog. Danny will be here today. She's actually probably a little over 3 hours away right now. We're gonna run to Walmart. Are you surprised? No? I have to get, I was gonna say vegetables. I gotta get fruit for Cora's baby shower. I have to do a fruit tray. Potato salad, which I have everything for that. Deviled eggs, I pretty much have everything for that. And then cocktail wieners. I already bought those, so I just have to do the fruit. That's the only thing I didn't get because, you know, I don't want it to go bad. So I'm gonna go pick that up. We're gonna run to Sam's and pick up some waters, and then we'll come home. We still have to wash Sterling's bedding. I wanted to make sure it was like, because she slept in it last night, so I want to make sure it's fresh for Danny, because Danny will sleep in Sterling's bed, and plus Sterling always has the cats in her bed, so, and Danny's allergic to cats, so I want to make sure that it's all clean and fresh. And then we're gonna vacuum and wipe down her room real quick, and then yeah, then Danny will be here. Tonight we are going to go see Flock of Seagulls and a Depeche Mode tribute band. My husband just really likes Flock of Seagulls, once in a lifetime type thing. So we're gonna go do that, and then we have to get up in time for Cora's baby shower. I have to make the weenies, so I'm going to do that tomorrow. I'm going to make potato salad today and the deviled eggs and assemble the fruit tray. Actually, I'm not, because Cora's got everything for, I think, for the fruit, like what we're putting the fruit tray on. I think. I'll text or call her later. And what else? Yeah, so hopefully when Danny gets here, she will be able to take a nap so she can function tonight. Trying to think of what else we got going on. Yeah, other than those, like the baby shower and the concert tonight, we don't have really anything planned, but we do have, like, you know, some like plans, but not plans. Like, we want to go sliding rock. Hopefully the weather will cooperate this week. I thought about going to the water park with the girls. I thought about taking the girls to see the Barbie movie. There was like some other things. Yeah, we'll have a fun time, and I'll take y'all along. So hopefully Sterling's out of the shower and we can get going.
Like got one of these Cecias.
Yeah, Johnny got a letter from Aunt T.
And it's just carbonated water to
Dun, 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 dun.
It's pretty disgusting.
Is it?
Yeah.
Car wash time. Madonna's on. I paid. Can you hear me? I paid like $5 for this drink, and it's not right. It tastes like water with some dragon fruit in it. It's supposed to be a black tea lemonade. I think they forgot the tea, and I think they forgot the lemonade. She came running and said, "I love her."
1, 2, 3. Oh! What are you doing?
Say, "Welcome home."
Hi. Hi. Hi.
I don't think somebody would. Hey guys, so we're at the place at the concert and we just parked and like our sunroof just got totally broken. Let's see. So let me try to show you. Still, it's like crackling. But we were like, oh my gosh, I didn't change my battery. I'll have to vlog with my phone.
I can't call it.
I get back here, but my battery's dying. I'm gonna have to vlog with my phone. Oh my gosh. So we were here, right here.
Yeah, 246.
We were right here in something.
Like this, like this.
Like, just like that, girl. Just like that.
I'm not, none of us are really here. Man, singer, all the above, the man, Mike Score, come on. My name is Pondo OMG. We love you.
a good time, and I hope I get over this cold. Bondo, Gordy, Kevin, and me would like to
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.